Hi there, let's take a look at Tesla to see where the price goes next. We'll cover the weekly market structure, check out the short-term trend so we can assess the risk of the next price move. From a big picture perspective, Tesla is currently in the markdown stage of the market cycle. The price is currently trading around the bottom of the channel. So what makes the channel? Last time we talked about this wedge, it has broken it and dropped to the 312 key support level. And what happens is we turn this line to line up the lower lows. And you can then see the channel it is currently going through. Okay, so it is basically bouncing between those two lines. That's the channel we are talking about. Okay, so here it is currently trading between the key resistance of 350 and the key support of 312. And you can see the bears push the price. You see where the wick ends, right at this dotted line or dashed line. What that is, if I zoom out, that's actually the rising channel. All right, it's in the long-term market or rising trend. All right, but within this rising trend, it is going through a markdown coming or heading to the channel bottom. All right, it doesn't always fall all the way to this very thick line over here. Look at 2025. It just briefly passed the 265 level and found support at around 215. Okay, this range where the previous supports were, and it started to bounce. But these two times, 2024, 2023, it did come to the bottom of the channel. So that's the big picture. And one more thing, the volume has been declining. All right. So you see, that means there's no big commitment. Even with this climb, it's not like some whales are chipping in like right in here. Okay, that kind of high volume, pushing the price back to making a new all-time high. Currently, it hasn't gone back to that range yet. So that's some sort of risk indicating the momentum or the rocket isn't fully fueled. So whether or not it can reach this orbit, time will tell. How about the short-term trend? Here, it is just testing the previous downtrend support, now turned resistance. So we see this red cross today, right? Ending near the level. But for that, I need to make sure this one lines up better. Okay, so it just passed that particular line, but it's kind of tricky. All right, tomorrow we'll tell, because this is like an equilibrium position created by the bulls and bears. So other than that particular line and 350 as a key level, why it is stopping here? This is actually a short-term reference right here. So you see this low in April, right? This is exactly the resistance back then and right now. Back in July 23rd, and as of this moment, this red cross is stopping right at this particular line. Okay, so I just want to extend further to see whether that's the case. Back in 2025, there were quite a number of candles finding resistance or support at the same level. So it's understandable that as of this moment, the bulls and bears are fighting around here. But most important is this most recent drop to here and then rebound. Okay, so this become a short-term resistance. If it really continues with this uptrend, this rising trend, okay, it is pointing towards a date, something I call a 2C's decision point. Here, it's pointing towards August 24th. And what it means is if the bulls are not able to push through this particular horizontal line and continue to trade within this triangle, this wedge, by the time we get closer and closer to the 24th, meaning in 10 days' time, they have to come up with one of the two options. Either they continue with this uptrend, meaning breaking this resistance, or they change from the uptrend back to sideways, or even coming back down to test the 312. Because when you get into these kind of gaps, it's only one of the two options. There's no third option the market can choose. Okay, so that's a risk we have to face, whether it's upside risk or downside risk. That's when we get closer and closer to this date, that's going to happen. And the next one, if it is to the upside, after August 24th, immediately closing up in 3 days' time, August 27th is the one that happens with the T level of 350. Another 2C's decision point, whether they can reclaim the level or they're going to get rejected from there again, just like today. Okay, they tested, but they failed. So let me know what you think, whether you think this uptrend will continue past the green T level, or is it the bulls will fail at this point because that's where the key support was back in April, and they're going to come back down, breaking this uptrend support and go challenge 312. Remember to subscribe to see the next update. Thank you.